Problem 1-6 is really straightforward. Again, we have an 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is 4 deep. So go ahead and make the isometric of this. Again, we have an angle here, so it's easy to just draw the rectangular parts first and then line up those corners to make the shape. Okay, so I'm going to start with this corner, and I know we have, you can do the glass box method as well in order to get this done correctly. 5, and so I'm going to do that just so you can see how that would work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we make a box, then we make the object inside the box. So we know that this bottom is going to be 8 long, so we'll make a nice object line. It's going 2 up, 2 up on both ends. It's going 4 in that direction. Let's see, here we go. And it's going all the way up on that side. It's going 1 in. And now this part and this part can connect to make the correct angle. Just like that. I'm going to draw this line all the way. So having that glass box there really helps. Really helps make the drawing go by fast and easy. So from this corner and this corner, it's going over 3. So 1, 2, 3, and same on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3 to get these 2 lines, and then I'm going to draw. It's going over 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm putting dots this time to create my object lines, and it's going down 3 from there. I think I messed up. Where did I mess up? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oopsies. I went down too far. So even I still mess up, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only going up 5. So just make a correction. If you caught that mistake before I did, congrats to you. Alright, now it lines up. There we go. Now I can connect these corners correctly. Just like that. And there's your isometric. Pause the video and try and draw that. So I'm going to use a red coloring pencil for my construction lines in this lesson, just so you can see them. I'm going to draw construction lines 3 away from the left and right side. You should notice the pattern. All of these problems are 8 wide, 5 tall, 4 deep. So you can set up your construction lines like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you make these beginning boxes to start off with, it'll make everything easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just make them, stretch them across all of it, and then separate them by 4 or 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 4 wide, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's 4 wide, 1, 2, 3, 4. So with your construction lines set up, you can go ahead and count the isometric blocks and start adding construction lines. Start adding object lines with your regular pencil. So we're looking at it straight on. So from straight on, we're going to have this shape and then two rectangles. So the whole outline is going to be a rectangle. So we can start by doing that, and then figuring out where the other object lines are going to go in the front view. So that's in the middle, and it's making like an upside down T shape. So if I put a point, it's going it's up 2 over 3. So up 2 over 3, putting a point. So I would connect here, here. Do the same on the opposite. Just like that. There's the front view. So if this surface was A, this surface would be A. If this surface was B, this surface would be B. And then we flip the part. So, for example, here's the front face of the part. We flip it in this direction. So front, flip to the top. This is the front. The right side, we flip it in this direction. So the part is moving in this direction. And we can go ahead and outline. This one's easy because the outline is just a rectangle. On the top view, it's going to look like a T again, except it's going to actually look, so this is the top view. And that's going over 3 and down, so over 3, or we can use our construction lines to project where that might be, aligning up the surfaces. So it's 1 wide, so 1. Okay, so that's the top view. The side view is going to be a little more challenging. So we can start off with the bottom. We know the bottom is going to be just a straight solid line. And same for the right side of it. For this line. We know we're going over 1. So over 1, and this is up 2. Okay, so there's your angle right there. So just connect those two lines. And then you have this finishing triangle right here. So just draw that. And there's your side view. There's no hidden lines in this because the object line takes precedence over the hidden line. So this is problem 1-6.